Hey guys, apparently I'm filming again today. I'm going to go see fireworks with my cousin Cassie slash friend. She's kind of like a cousin because she's related by marriage and everything through that and stuff. So yeah, she's gonna come get me and well, my mom's friend is, and then we're gonna go and I guess see fireworks. So again, I don't know how much I'm gonna be filming, but I love filming for you guys. Especially I love doing vlogs for you guys 'cause it's super fun. And I just uploaded a new vlog on my second YouTube channel, which this is going on, because that's my vlog YouTube channel. So, yeah. Guys, like I always say, my social medias are down in the description below if you want to get in contact with me. The only social media I do not put down there is my Facebook. So, if you guys want to go check that out, you can. And if you guys support my YouTube channels, my other YouTube channel, my main channel is on mymyysmith. The links are down in the description below if you want to, add me on that. And if you do really support my YouTube channels, you can go ahead and subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, and that would help me out so much because you guys rock and you guys are super amazing and I love you all so much. So thank you guys for being there, and I'm gonna always love you guys forever and forever and forever. Oh. Meow. Okay guys, hopefully you can hear me and hopefully you guys enjoyed those fireworks. They were like 10 minutes long, but it was still pretty cool. I had to do like the saddest part of my day. The saddest part of my day is taking my makeup off, which I'm always so sad every time I do because then I do so good on it and then I have to take it off. And sometimes I don't put it on the next day, but then it's like I can recreate my own work on my face or my own makeup on my face the next day, but it still saddens me that I had to like take my makeup off at night. So yeah, I'm gonna take my makeup off now and I'm probably gonna continue this vlog until like next morning and see what I do in the morning time and film my morning and day.